What is up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. First time joining, thanks for showing up. Please like, subscribe if you enjoy this channel, and send me the comments. Without further ado, follow a video of this hydroponics. So let's get into it. All right, so here we are. This is 6 weeks in, approximately. So I started these February 19th. So we are at that 6 week mark. This is what they look like 6 weeks in. Also right next to them. The other reason I was doing this video is just to show everybody is the difference between starting them in the ground versus starting them in this hydro garden. Now, to be fair, the ones that were started in the ground were started a little different. And also, to be fair, they were started 8 days later. So we're 8 days off. But again, you can see quite the difference. So the ground ones, the only difference with the ground ones is we put the seeds in paper towels, wet paper towel. We wrap them in the wet paper towel, put those in a little Ziploc, and then we actually tape that Ziploc into the window just to get some indirect sun. Once those seeds will perk up, ideally you're going to see little roots start to pop out of them. And once those roots start to pop out of them, then we plant them in the ground. So I am counting that as part of the 8 days, which again, that is part of the growing. So we're going to count that as part of that. Well, I should say 5 weeks. So, and again, with the Aero Garden, if you watched the first video, then you noticed that I did soak the seeds for 30 minutes approximately. You don't have to soak the seeds, and sometimes with Plumeria seeds, it's better not to soak them because sometimes you can drown the Plumeria seeds. So if you do so, do not soak them for very long. I was just following the exact directions with this hydro garden, just to, again, follow it to the T so everyone would know the outcome. We don't always soak the seeds. So if in this case, you don't necessarily need to. Just put them in a little substrate and then let it go. So again, 6 weeks in, so you can see the difference. Pretty thick. As anyone's watched the first video, you see that I did take all the ones out that were not doing anything. And unfortunately, the ones that my dogs knocked the top off of. So yeah, so there we are. So 6 weeks. Again, to be fair, 5 weeks, 6 weeks. But you can see quite the difference in this growth. Both ways work, obviously, as you see. The other thing I will say is a couple of comments, and I said that in a lot of times in the hydro garden that they will do multi-branch. At this moment, this batch is trying to make me a liar. However, I do see a couple, and I'll show you that a couple that do look like they're going to try a multi-branch. I'll do further research on this, which means testing it out myself and to see if just certain varieties are better at that than others. But yeah, so let me get a little closer just so y'all can see. All right, so again, here's the ones that were just growing in the normal way, just putting them in the dirt. Again, they're all doing fine, but you see the difference, and this difference is not because of 8 days. So you can see the difference of the size of only 8 day difference but look how thick the bases are on these and how thick they've already come out. Where a lot of times the ones that you start off like this, you're going to see that as the babies, they're going to be pretty thin little stalks coming up for a while. Where these guys, they just start out so thick. And as a matter of fact, let me come around if I can do this without making everybody dizzy. All right, we're back. So on this side, I just wanted to show like how thick the stalks can get on these when they're in this hydro garden. Where when you plant them in the dirt, typically they get real tall and skinny at first. It takes a while for them to get this thick, where they start out real thick on this early on. What I also want to show is these two right here. These are the two I think are going to end up having multi-branched. You can see right above this one, the leaf, if it's focusing. You can see that little one sticking out, and on both sides, it's trying to branch out right there. But also this one, you can see right above these yellow leaves that are going to fall off anyway. Oh, well, it just did. That you can see a branch. So on both sides of that one, it is starting to branch out. So does look like this one is going to show that I am telling the truth on how these, so that's good. So yeah, I think I'm going to get 2 there. I think one back here is also going to branch out the side. So we're going to see in a little bit here, and I'll keep everybody up to date. So yep, follow-up video, just once again on the HydroGuard and how things are going 6 weeks in. So until next time, everybody have a great day.